In today's lesson, we'll be learning about the face method and how that can help us read sheet music for our right hand. Let's get started. So the face method is a tool that helps a lot of pianists learn how to read the music for our right hand. Let's take a closer look at what the sheet music looks like for the right hand. This long box with lines is called our staff. Our staff is made up of 5 lines and 4 spaces, and the staff is where we read our notes. In this first space, this note is F. We can see that it's F if we start from middle C. Let's go up in steps, and steps on our staff go up by counting each line and each space. A step after C is D, then we have E, and now we have F. And look, we are in our first space. What about our next space? Can you guess the note for that? It's a skip away from F. And skips on our staff are separated space by space or line by line. What is the note a skip up from F? It's A. We can also check this by going up in steps. F, G, A. Parents, by now, you might be able to guess why this method of reading is called the face method. Can you and your child predict the note name of the third space? It's a skip away from A. It's C. We can check this with our steps. A, then B, then C. Nice! Finally, what's the note name of the fourth space? If you guessed E, you're correct. E is a skip away from C, and if we go up in steps, we can also see that the note is E. C, D, E. Nice job! Now we know that the spaces spell face. A note to parents. Our next few packages will be covering the face method and focus on songs that help us recognize our face notes. And take some time to make sure you and your child are able to read and find the proper notes, as well as navigate through our hand positions. To practice this week, you can also look back at previous packages and see if you can use the face method to identify the notes in our other songs. This will help you and your child become more comfortable with reading sheet music and translating that to the keys on our piano. See you soon, and happy practicing!